Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE to Lite, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So let's just first hold for a while one from our device screens. After that, you'll see here that transitions icon. Just click here once. Now I have selected the flip. We can switch it just to another one. And for example, I'll go with the real one, so click here to apply, and now we can also click to done, and we can see that we just successfully changed our device home screen animation. We can turn it back just to the default one, so just hold for a while the screen, click to the transitions and switch it, for example, here to default. Then just click here to apply, tap to done, and that's it. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.